Let's take a little walk through my garden. Mary, Mary, how does your garden grow? With love and care and great fun. So these are the daylilies. This is on the left side of my house. If you're facing my house, left side, daylilies and marigolds, working on making the heart go with this vine. That'll look good. Some guerrilla gardening that went on here. I just threw seeds of extra that I had over from the last year. Some pumpkins, little okras growing there, radishes, more marigolds. Love them at this time of year especially. And you can see some lettuce that I threw out there too. Made these two planter boxes out of recycled material from a dumpster. That's asparagus that's in this bed. Finally have a bed to be able to let 3-year growth for asparagus. Compost over there. Got a volunteer spaghetti squash from the compost. And okra, pepper, and carrots in that one. Did my tomato gardening in pots this year. They did very well. Of course, I have plenty of flowers, some volunteer tomatoes along the Blessing River. You can check other videos out. It was called the Kobe Ditch, now it's the Blessing River. Some mums are getting ready to pop here very soon. More tomatoes, some peppers, bell peppers, jalapeno peppers, all different kinds of pumpkins and squash. Gonna have a glorious display of marigolds very, very, very soon all over. The daylilies and black-eyed Susans have had their time and are almost finished with what they're going to bloom. There's some more okra in the guerrilla gardening approach that I did this year. I come over here to the raspberries, getting those ready with trellises for the next year. The raspberries and blackberries, all kinds of flowers and plants and bushes that are going down through here mixed with edibles. Had chokeberries and blueberries. Let's go over here. And the muscadines did great this year. Very pleased with them. We had big rain and had to got to redo some mulch here. You can see how it went down. But muscadines did great. Had strawberries this year. Oh, it was an abundant year. So that's my garden. I'll give you more tips on gardening and tell you how Mary Mary's garden grows.